Social media platforms have become a powerful tool for businesses and individuals to connect with their audience and promote their products or services. In this video, we will be discussing the various ways you can use social media to earn money and the steps you need to take to get started. From becoming an influencer to affiliate marketing, selling products, sponsored posts, and paid subscriptions, we will cover all the different strategies you can use to monetize your social media presence. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your current online income, this video will provide valuable insights and tips on how to make money online through social media. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of social media monetization. Become an influencer. One of the most popular ways to make money on social media is by becoming an influencer. An influencer is someone who has a large following on social media and can influence the purchasing decisions of their followers. Brands will often pay influencers to promote their products or services on their social media accounts. To become an influencer, you'll need to establish yourself as an expert in a particular niche and build a large and engaged following. This can be done by consistently creating valuable content, engaging with your followers, and building a community around your niche. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money on social media is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way for you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. All you need to do is find a product or service that you like and promote it to your followers. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you'll earn a commission. To be successful with affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a niche that you're passionate about and build a following that trusts your recommendations. This can be done by providing valuable information, being transparent about your affiliations, and only promoting products that align with your niche and values. Selling products. Another way to make money on social media is by selling products. Many social media platforms, such as Instagram and Facebook, now have built-in features that allow you to sell products directly to your followers. You can sell anything from physical products to digital products, such as ebooks or online courses. To be successful with this method, you'll need to have a great product and a large following that is interested in what you have to offer. This can be done by creating visually appealing product images, providing detailed product descriptions, and offering promotions and discounts to your followers. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are another way to make money on social media. A sponsored post is a post that a brand pays you to create and share with your followers. These posts can be in the form of a product review, a tutorial, or a simple shout-out. To be successful with sponsored posts, you'll need to have a large and engaged following, and you'll need to be able to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This can be done by researching your audience's interests, creating visually appealing content, and being transparent about sponsored content. Paid subscriptions. Finally, you can make money on social media by charging your followers for exclusive content or access. Many platforms, such as Patreon, allow you to create paid subscriptions for your followers. You can offer exclusive content, such as live streams or early access to new content. To be successful with paid subscriptions, you'll need to have a dedicated and engaged following that is willing to pay for the extra content and access. This can be done by providing high-quality exclusive content, engaging with your subscribers, and building a community around your exclusive content. In conclusion, making money on social media is possible if you have the right approach. Whether you want to become an influencer, sell products, or charge for access to exclusive content, there are many ways to monetize your social media presence. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and build a following that trusts your recommendations. Remember to be consistent, keep creating valuable content, and engage with your followers. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.